Hello, Algebra 1B students. You're working on some arithmetic sequences. I want to take a look at those right now. You have 4-7 practice, and you are to do 1, 3, 5, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. Usually I do every other one, but you know, I'm doing all of them for you this time. Just because it's Monday, I guess. I don't know. Describe the pattern in each sequence and then find the next two terms of the sequence. Here, notice that I'm going down each time by 4, so I'm subtracting 4 each time. So if I start at -1, if I subtract 4, I go to -5. The next term would be -9. So those are the next two terms. For number 3, notice that I'm going up. I'm adding 1.5 each time. So if I start at 6 to get the next two terms, add 1.5, I get 7.5, and then I get 9 for the next term. Notice here I'm adding 9, I'm going up by 9 each time. So if I start at 28, I end up with 37 and 46. Okay, Mr. Fry wanted us to do 8, 10, and 12 here, so tell whether the sequence is arithmetic. If it is, identify the common difference. It looks good, you know, like it's going up by 4, but except for this one goes up by 3, so no, it is not arithmetic sequence. It messes up like right there. This one, notice it's going up. This one goes up by 4, then it goes up by 2 and by 2. So no, they all have to, you know, go up by the same amount or go down by the same amount, have the same difference. And yes, this one is going down 23.5. So this goes down 23.5, this goes down 23.5, this goes down 23.5. So yes, it is a arithmetic sequence. Okay, for the word problems, you budget $100 for parking each month. Each day you use the downtown parking lot, it costs you $5. So write a rule to represent the amount of money left in your budget monthly budget as an arithmetic sequence. How much money is left in your budget after you have used the downtown parking lot 11 times this month? So I started off, you know, you're going to take that 100 and you're going to subtract 5 each time, right? So, you know, the first time you use it, you're going to have 95 left in your budget. The second time, 90. Third time, 85, and so on. So notice what you're doing here. You started with 100, and then you're subtracting 5, you know, times each time you did it. So, like, you know, the first one would have been just 1 times 5, so 100 minus 1 times 5, which is 5, gives you that 95. 100 times the 2 times 5, which would be $10 by then, that would give you the 90, and so on and so forth. So you could go through and you could put 11 in here, and 100 minus 11 times 5, which is 55, gives you $45. So you have $45 left in your budget. Okay, moving on to number 14. You start an investment account with $3,000 and save $100 each month. Write a rule to represent the total amount of money you invest in your account as an arithmetic sequence. How much money will you have invested after 12 months? So once again, you're taking $3,000, you're adding 100 to it every month, right? So the first month, you're going to put in 100, so you'll have 3,100. Second month, 3,200. Third month, 3,300. All right, so basically what you're doing, you started with that 3,000 and you're adding, you know, whatever month it is times 100. So the first would have been 1 times 100, which is just 100. That gave me the 3,100. 2 times 100 would be 200, plus the 3,000 would give you, you know, 3,200. 3 would be 300, plus the 3,000 gives you 3,300, and so on and so forth. If I put in 12 times 100 gives me 1,200. 3,000 plus 1,200 gives me the 4,200. So hopefully this helps, and good luck with this arithmetic sequence stuff.